Crew-defined maneuvers using the computer. Everyone pretty much knows how to maneuver the spacecraft on their own at this point. If they haven't, then just mess around with this panel and your thrusters a bit. If you'd like the spacecraft to maneuver for you, simply key in verb 49, enter. If Apollo 8 and 7, hit reset, verb 25, enter, and enter in the desired attitude. For us, our desired attitude is 179.00 degrees roll, 135.00 degrees pitch, and if it ever says 360, you'll notice, operator error. That's strange. Now you need to re-enter in all of the numbers. If it ever says 360, just insert 0. Make sure spacecraft controls on CMC, and CMC mode is auto. Follow it up with proceed, proceed. Your auto maneuver will be underway. Once the auto maneuver is complete, you'll notice 5018. Now let's say you're like, the maneuver is done. I simply hit proceed just like every other step, and it goes and clears the board. No. Why? Auto maneuvers are special. Sometimes you'll have other things that do this as well, but this is mostly occurring with auto maneuvers. This routine allows you to fine-tune. You hit enter as many times as you'd like, and it's not going to go. So it allows you to fine-tune. It allows you to come a little bit this way, and you can hit proceed and still get on track very easily. To clear this, you simply need to enter the bypass. So when you're doing your manual star selections and you have the code 15 appear for the star select, and you hit enter and you bypass and you have to manually enter in the stars, it's the same thing here. Simply bypass the auto maneuver with the enter key. Enter key sometimes serves as a program display bypass. Thanks for watching.